As India continues to respond firmly to Pakistan amidst the ongoing Operation Sindoor, tensions escalated over the weekend following a surge in cross-border drone activity. The residents in Meghalaya have expressed strong support for the armed forces amidst Operation Sindoor. The Indian Army remains on high alert after detecting drone activity at 26 locations across the international border and the line of control from Baramulla to Bhuj.
Operation Sindhu is a reflection of the perfection of Indian Army, because the government of India has this time clearly explained that they are not going to bow down before any such terrorist group. And one thing that is very important here to understand is that they have changed their strategy completely, and the operations which they have done was so perfect that it has not affected a single civilian of Pakistan, not a military base. So that now Pakistan has no reasons to retaliate, and if he does, he will face a big consequences.